Hey there, guys! In this video, I'll walk you through the process of compressing your video file to a smaller size using CapCut. Let's take a look at this sample video. Currently, it has an export size of 29 megabytes. While 29 megabytes isn't massive, you might want to make it even smaller. Here's how you can reduce the file size. Firstly, consider lowering the frame rate. If your video is currently set to 60 frames per second, try reducing it to 24 FPS. Next, adjust the bitrate. If the current setting is at the recommended level, switch to a lower bitrate. This adjustment will decrease the file size, although it might slightly impact the quality. Another option is to lower the resolution. While reducing it further could save more space, the quality drop might be too noticeable. Personally, sticking with 108p resolution is often a good compromise. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click on Export, and that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing for more handy tips. Thank you for watching.